You're watching Ride the Teacups, and today we're building a branch of Star Command in your living room. Woohoo! To build Buzz Lightyear Astro blasters at home, you're going to need a couple very simple things you already have around the house, most likely. First off, you're going to need a laundry basket to drag your kids around your living room. You're going to need a few paper plates and a pen so you can draw out some targets, and then just a Nerf gun with a whole bunch of darts. You may already have this at home. If not, you can find a very cheap set of Nerf guns and tons of Nerf darts on Amazon. We'll have a link for you down in the description to grab some of those on the cheap. The game itself is very simple. You're going to drive through a very simple course that you set up, have your kids lock their Nerf guns, find a target, and fire. To give you an idea of what it is that we're going to be building, let me hand it over to the mission commander who can go through and tell you how it is that we're going to have this work.
Alright cadets, here's your mission briefing. We're going to need to infiltrate Zurg's evil base. Fortress with people on all sides of the hills. And if you can't see them, there's even snipers on the far mountains. Different guards will be at different heights, so make sure you take out as many as you can. And as you are entering Zurg's compound, make sure you're not so entranced by the castle that you miss the paratroopers coming down from above. Once you're in, you're gonna find guards on all sides, in front of you, off to the sides, and even some watching remotely off in the distance. Get inside of the entrance and sneak your way into his secret base in the back, taking out as many of these guards as you possibly can. Watch out, they won't be suspecting you, but they can still report you, even if it's hard to see them. Zurg's throne room has a watchtower up above, so watch out for that as well. Once you're in, the guards will know that you're here. So take out as many as you possibly can. They'll be all over the place, and make a quick escape. And after you finally go through and exit the tower, watching out for the last sniper, you'll have one shot to take out Zurg on his way out. Don't let us down, recruits. We know you can do it. This is a dangerous mission, rookie. If you think you have what it takes, get on in and let's see what you've got.
Hello, buddy.
Congratulations, recruit. We are very proud of you and how you handled yourself. Thanks to you, Zurg is no longer a threat in this quadrant. Your work is superb. Now, last thing that you need to do before promotion is hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel because you know you want more content just like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a cadet in Star Command today. We will see you next time on Ride the Teacups.